Hi guys, welcome back. So guess what the recipe is? What you've been waiting for. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight to the recipe. We're making patate. It's kind of like a pudding. It's not really a bread. It's more of like a sweet potato pudding. It's so delicious. It's perfect for the holiday with Christmas around the corner. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight to that recipe. Oh my god. I cannot even to I don't know where to begin. Like this just is just so bomb. Like it's just so good. You just cannot get enough. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's super easy. It takes a little time, but it's amazing. You will love it. So let's go ahead and get over the ingredients. So we're gonna need ginger. We're gonna need coconut. I'm using whole coconut. You can just buy the coconut milk. It's just to me not as flavorful. That's why I use the actual nut. So this is the potato that I'm using, batata boniato potatoes. You can use the Japanese yam. It's either that or the Japanese yam. Please do not use sweet yam. If you do, it's not going to be patata, okay? So we're gonna use raisins, of course. So I'm going to soak half a cup of raisin in rum. Okay, I'm using white rum. You don't have to do that. I'm only doing a little bit because kids will be eating this, so I don't want to get those kids tipsy. Next thing you know, social work is at my door. Anyways, I don't want to be involved with DCF. Anyways, I'm just kidding. But don't add rum if you're giving it to kid, okay? So go ahead and soak your raisins, and I'm also using those cherries just for decoration. I just wanted to soak it in liquor because I like it. But anyways, make sure you soak them in you don't have to soak them, but I just wanted to soak them a little bit so I can use the liquor. Anyway, so after you do that, let's go ahead and get the potatoes ready. So we're gonna blend the potato. If you want to grate it, go ahead and do that. I think it's better, but no, I'm blessed with the blender, so I'm gonna use my blender. Okay, yes, but feel free to grate it if you want to be old school and stuff, but not me, sweetie. I'm using the blender. Yes, I am. All right, so after you do that, we're gonna go ahead and start with the seasonings. Yes. Oh, and by the way, I blended mine with like a little bit of water, like a cup of water. You don't have to, you could just use milk instead, but I just did water. It's fine if you wanted to grate it with the water, but if you can blend it, blend. If you can blend it without the water, go ahead and do so. What I just did is added the lime zest, a whole lime. Don't worry, I will put the description. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Yes, I just added my ginger, my freshly grated ginger. So now we're gonna add some salt and some cinnamon. Don't worry, I got you. Description box will have all the ingredients and the measurements, okay? I know I'm going a little bit fast, but hey. Some pure almond extract. Pure, not the imitation. Okay, not. And some vanilla. Pure vanilla. We only do pure stuff around here. We don't do the imitation stuff. I'm kidding, we do that sometimes. And some nutmeg. So now we're adding the the evaporated milk. So we're gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk. So here, this is a very sweet dessert. So you might want to go light on the sugar. It depends if you got a sweet tooth. Do you, baby? But if you don't, I would say go really light on the sugar because the condensed milk is very sweet, as you know. And then we're also adding sugar. I added 2 cups of sugar to mine on top of that. So, and the potatoes are sweet, so you gotta really be like, I don't know what was that, but I don't know what it was. But anyway, so add that condensed milk, and now we're gonna add the coconut milk. I don't know why it's going slow. That was a mistake. So I added the coconut milk. I blended my coconut. So I added my cocoa milk. You need that, okay? You need the coconut milk. And after you add all the ingredients, go ahead and stir it. So you probably should have added the banana. I probably should have added the banana at that time, but I kind of forgot, and bananas are crucial to patate, okay? But I did end up adding it later. So go ahead and add your banana right now. Your crushed banana, very ripe. Overripe is perfect. Overripe. So I'm adding my raisins, and yes, I'm gonna add the rest of the liquor too, because why not? But if you're making this for you, sweetie, go ahead and add liquor, okay? Instead of blending the potatoes with water, blend it with fucking liquor, bitch. Make it lit. I'm just kidding. Anyways, blend it with fucking liquor. Put liquor in it. Put that rum in there. That rum. So in your hot pan, this is another step. It doesn't take that long, but you know, it's kind of a few steps. So go ahead and add a stick of butter. And then go ahead, add your sugar. Like I said, it's all up to you. Use your discretion when adding sugar because it's a very sweet dessert. You may add 1 cup or you may add 2. I added 2 because, yes, I don't know, because I'm an adult and I do what I want. And so are you. So go ahead and do what you want. If you want to add 5 cups, sweetie, go ahead and add 5 cups. Just make sure you have health insurance, okay? Because that's not going to be on me. Anyways, let's go back to actual real stuff instead of nonsense. So now I'm going to add my crushed bananas because I actually forgot to add it earlier. So now go ahead, it's a good time to add it. Okay, I just forgot, it was on the side and I forgot to just grab it and put it in there. But yeah, go ahead and add your banana now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook this on the stove top for about 10 to 15 minutes until all the, like, because I use the water, until all that liquid is reduced and until it's like to get a little thicker and it starts cooking a little bit. Not long, 10 to 15 minutes. So yes, I did add my banana, my mashed banana. I don't know why I said crushed. Why did I say crush? Wow, I'm so fucking stupid. Sometimes, not all the times. So I added my mashed banana. And I'm gonna add more sugar because I tasted it and I felt like it wasn't sweet enough. So like I said, use your discretion and use your taste bud when adding sugar because it can get very, very sweet. So I did taste it and I feel like, I could add a little bit more sugar. And nobody ever died of diabetes. I'm just kidding. Why did I even say it's not even funny? Anyways, and nobody died. Okay, let me just shut up. Alright, I should just shut up because sometimes I just talk nonsense. I really do. I can't help it. Anyway, so go ahead and keep stirring it, keep mixing it. Don't let it stick to the bottom, okay? We don't want it to stick to the bottom. And then while you're doing this, make sure you stir it occasionally and you're gonna pan your butter. You're gonna butter your pan. So I'm using 2 pans. I'm using this square pans and this round pan. I think this is 9 by 5. I don't know the dimension, to be honest with you. Use whatever pan you got, sweetie. So go ahead and, oh, I did add my raisins. Yes, you saw that, right? Okay, fine. So go ahead and add it to your pan, your buttered pan, and bake for, and like I was saying, bake for 45 to an hour, 45 minutes to an hour on 350 degrees, okay? Don't let it get burned. 45 minutes may just be fine, 50 minutes may be fine, but you're gonna let it bake for about the time. And after that, put it aside and let it cool down. It has to be cool before you cut it. It has to be cool. It has to be really, really cool, all the way cool. So let it cool. So you might be able to eat it the next day, or like you have to make it early in the day. Anyways, you guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe while you're here because, come on, I know you like me. Actually, like, you like my channel and me. Anyways, this is the final recipe. This is perfect for the holiday. Oh my god, I just got this idea. You know what would be so bomb over it? I'm not gonna share it with you, but I will post what I'm thinking right now on my Instagram, so be sure to stay there. Oh my god, I'm gonna do it right now. Yes. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. Check my Instagram, you'll see what I'm talking about. It was so yummy. I hope you like it. Good night. Bye.